Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. We're back at it with another Meld video. So I just want to get into some of the latest and greatest news. And guys, just enjoy the video. If you get something out of it, smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Today we are October 15th of 2024. As promised, we're going to be pumping out a ton of videos. The Moose picked up some Tim Hortons. So hopefully this will be a sponsor in the near future. I don't know what the Moose is going to have to do. Probably going to have to donate an arm, a leg, and a couple Bitcoins. But, you know, it would be cool to be sponsored by Timmy's. So guys, we are looking pretty good in the market. What, 66,000. So let's take a look at Meld's price. And I want to get into a couple of key aspects here. So Meld, again, it's such a good opportunity, in my opinion, to get in at these prices. Guys, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. But look at what is happening, and we're going to get into that right here. So if we take a look on Discord, we've got Armor Wallet, which is an AI-powered crypto wallet designed to be your multi-chain trading assistant. So this is just under announcements. You guys can follow Meld in the Discord, etc. As you know, lending and borrowing is here. Crazy APYs going on. But here's the big one here. So it looks like we got the Kenyan shilling on Meld. So coming soon in Meld app mobile, the Kenyan shilling. So the KES will be available for on and off ramping. Also, I wanted to mention as well, when you create your Meld wallet app, so let me share that with you. So for some of you, you can't, if you are in the United States, from what I've heard from others in the community, is that yes, you can set up the app, but you cannot sign up for any fiat services. So soon Meld will be rolling out different currencies. So right now, actually, I was going to share it with you. Perhaps I'll do a tutorial down the road. But what I can do, and right here I've got a bit of Meld. So I'm trying to keep like at least, you know, $400 or $500 worth of Meld so I can do things in the future. But if I go to exchange, I can exchange Meld. And I haven't done it yet, but it looks like I can exchange that for some euro. So right now I've got a euro account and it looks like it's $6 if I exchange $500. And I have advanced methods. So yeah, it's really cool. The fact that I can get some euro and swap in and out from crypto is interesting. So comment down below if that's something that you've been able to experience. And you know, the Meld app has been cool. I'm excited for what's to come in the near future as well. So guys, looking at the token price, I think again we're really flatlined. I can't think of another token other than like Hex for a while that got down to like nothing and then it's just been sitting there. So guys, Meld hasn't moved. It just blows my mind. Sure, it's more of a niche. It's more of a particular, you know, DeFi play if you were to look at it as an investment. But anyways, let's log in here. So let's see what's going on with Meld and what it looks like. Also, Meld has a bunch of tutorials on YouTube. So taking a look at YouTube, Ken has done some awesome videos. So I wanted to share some of the love there. MELDapp, setting up your account. These are coming from the man himself. So definitely check it out. How to claim your yield boost. So if you've been doing some supplying with USDT, with Meld or ADA, you can claim your rewards. You could also compound it, which I thought was really interesting as well. So here's a Meld wallet. I know I've been sharing it with you guys pretty extensively, but again, the staking is awesome. Supply and borrow is here. So let's dive into some of that as well. So if you guys were to supply some USDT, basically you would be able to claim. And when you claim, you will also be able to have the option of compounding and whatnot as well. So you're going to see as well the yield percentage fluctuate a lot. So that's because we're in the early stages. We need to offer and provide more liquidity, etc. So I'm going to be supplying a lot more because I want to help support the ecosystem as much as I can as well. So keep that in mind as well. It's a little bit of news for you. So that's really about it. I just wanted to get into the token price. I think we're at a good entry position, not financial advice, but the moose has been getting loose on a bit of Meld throughout the weeks. Guys, I really appreciate you picking up and using the Tangem link. That's been helping out. It allows me to pick up a couple of extra things. I can now do tutorials with extra funds that aren't related to my investments only. Guys, the node sale is still alive. If you want to, you can head over to the channel, type in Meld, and you guys can pick up a node if that interests you. I've got extensive videos on how it works and how you guys can dive into that. Personally, I've got one static node. I got in tier 2. Somebody bought tier 2 when tier 1 was still going on. I thought that was funny. I might just buy a tier 30 just to flex on you guys. So let me know. Let me know if the moose should get loose and do that. I think it'd be kind of funny. But other than that, guys, comment down below. What are your questions regarding Meld? What are you excited about? Do you guys think that Meld is going to go to $1 soon? Who knows? So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.